At WNBD, currently at 0002 right now. We went over this one last on the 10th. That was going to be right around here. And I said, watch for this to continue closing at or above 0003. We wanted to start seeing it closing at or above. Still some moves down here, closing around that 0002 and 0001 mark, rather. Right here, 0002 is going to be a resistance, and you guys now have all the moving averages right there at that 0002. You guys break that 0003 or 0002. This one could indeed be setting up for a move again. Looking back on over here as well, started creeping up to the 3 on the 20th, but ended up coming back down to the 2. The only issue that I'm seeing here is going to be volume. I think that look at the volume down here. Big spike here in volume, and each bar has been going lower and lower. So in my opinion, that is what you're going to need. You're going to need that volume to pick up here and break you through that 2 and get a close above 0003. So like I said, I couldn't add too much to the chart here. I know that you guys requested it over here on Investors Hangout, so figured I'd add what I could, see if Joe has anything to add on top of that.
All right, so they had a press release on, well, there's actually two things I'm seeing over here. Right now on OTC markets, I'm seeing a stop sign with pink no information. But then, let's see, in March 15th, well, they basically, they put their annual report up for December 31st, 2015 on March 15th, 2017. Then there's a quarterly report for March 31st, 2016 that was posted on April 4th. 2017, and then there's also another quarterly report for June 30th, 2016, and that was published on April 13th, 2017. So, I mean, they got the stop sign with pink no information, but I'm guessing they're in the process of working on getting their shit together. All right, so they had a press release on April 20th, 2017. It was credit card fraud reduction possible, winning brands and Securitor Explorer how. So, Winning Brands Corporation and Securitor Incorporated have entered into an exploratory discussion agreement regarding the launch of Security's new patent-pending technology to reduce credit card fraud, a major and growing problem in the digital commerce. The agreement arises from Winning Brands Innovators Community Initiative, through which innovators can partner with Winning Brands for mutual advantage. And they have their website for that is innovatorscommunity.com. So the EDA provides for a 6-week negotiation period during which both teams will seek an operating agreement to proceed. Winning Brands will be announcing exploratory discussion agreements for its innovators community projects to avoid rumors, openly mobilize expert assistance, and increase awareness of the prospective projects for the benefit of both announcing parties. In such joint venture launches, Winning Brands will deploy a portion of its current and future Regulation A financing proceeds to support breakthrough opportunities, as well as contributing the work of subject matter experts. Winning Brands has formed an adaptive network model that assigns subject matter experts to innovators community launch projects according to those expert specialties. So this means that vetted projects are aligned with appropriate talent for each launch. Innovators such as Securitor regard the joint venture basis of cooperation with Winning Brands as appealing because Winning Brands focuses on revenue sharing rather than equity acquisition. Innovators otherwise find their technology or company ownership heavily encroached by traditional venture capital relationships. The Winning Brands CEO Eric Leiner comments, "It is deliberate that this potential joint venture is not related to our historical product base. This is not to demonstrate to present and future shareholders that we are increasing the scope of WNBD aspirations beyond existing limitations. Our adaptive network of subject matter experts is an original operating model by which we will ensure that deep industry knowledge is always present in project management. In the Securitor project under discussion, much vetting of the patent-pending technology has already occurred. The willingness of Winning Brands to share public company resources and expertise in return for revenue-sharing opportunities is a terrific alternative method for innovators to get their products off the ground or grow. We all know that the financial technology sector is vast in its reach and has an enormous appetite for new products and services that improve efficiency and reduce risk. With the Securitor EDA, Winning Brands proves that WNBD's upward potential is now limited only by the talent of the world's innovators, which is vast. We already have a waiting list when our OTC filings, when our OTC filing catch up is completed in the next 30 days, and the current information designation is attained in Q2 2017, progress will accelerate. So Winning Brand maintains a CEO weblog for the benefit of shareholders at winningbrandscorporation.com, and it's /blog. It is a journal of the company's mission, providing answers to many shareholder questions. It is a regular source of public information pertaining to the company's pursuant to SEC fair disclosure guidelines. Mr. Liner also maintains a Twitter presence, and that's at Twitter's winning. It's just Winning CEO is the thing. So you'll see all the links right there, right within this press release from April 20th. So if you want to go and read through that or do more due diligence on Winning Brands, just go right over to that WNBD Board on Investors Hangout. From there, you'll see the company profile, the time and sales, the recent news, the filings, the financials, the buy rating. And as always, if you have an opinion on the company, feel free to share it with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors that are using the site daily by posting right over there on that Winning Brands Corp Board on Investors Hangout.
All right, there you have it right here. This is what Joe was just going over. All completely free here on Investors Hangout. 0002 watch. Volume needs to pick up and break that 0003. Right here, like I said, that is really what this one comes down to, is just the volume. I'd like to see the volume return here. Once that volume comes in, you guys know that this one can definitely make some moves. That's what we're going to be watching for with WNBD. If you follow the stock, make sure you hit that like and subscribe. We'd appreciate it. And get out there and share this video. The more you share it, the more it's requested, the more we cover it. If you'd like to participate in our next live show, you can do so at investorshangout.com/live.